I have a 4K Samsung TV manufactured in 2018, and this one seems to have distortion on the screen. So as you can tell, I have a little bit of fuzziness near the bottom and doubling of the image at the top. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that with just a piece of tape. We just laid the TV flat down on our table and just put a moving blanket to protect the screen and remove the back cover. So we have our power supply, our main board, and that's it. We have these two large ribbons that allow the main board to communicate with our screen, and that's what we're going to be focused on. So one of the things we want to do here, and this is why we have about a 1/4 inch thick piece of tape, is we want to block the clock lines between the main board and the screen. Now in most TVs, either the main board or the T-Con board, which we don't have in this TV, have a label that indicate where the clock lines are. We don't have this luxury with this set, so we're going to have to do a bit of guessing game. Now I've actually already done this process and I've marked off the area I want to block off, but it might be a little bit different for your sets. So let's do a couple trial and error runs just to show you how I went through it. So essentially we're putting our piece of tape and we're blocking off those lines here. I'm going to fold it over and connect the ribbon back in. Now because there's a piece of tape, it makes the ribbon a little bit thicker, so it's a little bit harder to properly insert it, so do your best to make sure that it's lined up correctly. Let's plug it in and see what our results are. So the backlight just turned on, but I actually did not see the Samsung logo. And I'm not getting any picture. So what we just did actually made it worse. So let's keep going. We're gonna just move the piece of tape over a little bit and try again. So I just put the piece of tape this time around maybe a 1/4 inch over. And this is the spot I believe that we were able to get good picture. So let's try it one more time. And the screen just came back on, which we did not have picture when I had it completely over to the right. And it looks like both my doubling of the image as well as my distortion is gone. So previously we had a couple seconds of good picture, a couple seconds of distortion with doubling of the image, and right now it looks like it's working properly. So that means that we've actually correctly identified the locations of the clock lines we needed to block with that piece of tape, and now we have a working TV. If you were able to fix your TV with this video, let us know in the comments below.